Good morning and welcome to another Iceburghs garage video. It is bright out here. We're going to head in the garage, pull the truck out, and then we are going to be fixing Christo's headlights. So, back when we did his grill, we were talking about swapping out his headlights for the upgraded projectors. We haven't yet gotten there, but what we did is get some nice LED bulbs. And we were taking a trip to Canada. We were gonna go install them, and we were missing a little bracket that we now have. And we ended up touching one of his halogen bulbs, and it burned out. Couldn't put in the new ones, and so now it's time to fix that. We have LED bulbs from Amazon, and we're gonna throw them in. So yeah, let's pull the truck out. The cable back there. So as you see, so let's fix that. So all we gotta do for this is right here. There's a little compartment that you have access to the bulbs. We're gonna pull the bulbs out, attach the connection, and then reinstall, and that's it. Pretty dead easy. Hopefully they work, and hopefully we got the right adapters, and it'll have a step up from halogens. So we'll see. Excited for the step up, the upgrade? Yes. From you went from halogens to one halogen to
for 2 months.
Yeah,
at least.
Kind of crazy. So here are the adapters. And then the bulbs. I really hope I ordered the right ones. There's no cap to your headlight.
What do you mean?
They fell off.
When?
I have no idea. It's not there though. So if we take a look here, you can see there's a cap here, but there's no cap here. That's for the high beam, so that's interesting. So we're just gonna remove this cap. Then you pull the bulb out. You gotta twist it first.
Make sure you don't touch the bulb.
Yep.
That's what happened last time.
Yep. However, at this point, it doesn't really matter. Although, you know, one bulb was definitely better than nothing. Because if we got the wrong adapters, again, that'd be very unfortunate. Now I'm taking the old headlight out, but there's 2 tabs on either side, and you gotta pull both of them up. So how I'm gonna do this is I have a tool that should be good for this. So I'm gonna lightly set that there.
So here's the headlight bits, bulbs,
Bits and
adapters right there. This is what we were missing.
So got this off now. The next move would be to put on the new adapter and then connect up the new light bulbs. And yeah, let's do it. Okay. Okay. Plug that in like that.
It's bright. Oh, it got a lot brighter just now.
Alright, so we got one side installed and it's looking pretty good. The only thing I'm worried about is heat because it's contained in here. So let's feel. Okay, no, it's fine. Yeah, no, I'm not worried about it too much. Lights. Woo! What do you think?
Brighter.
Brighter. Looks better too. Oh, sorry, you have to drive around me. And just like that, folks, that's how you upgrade the look and the performance of your halogen headlights. 60 bucks off Amazon. There it is. What time is it?
We have one today.
It's corn time, baby. Corn time. Viewers who don't know, that brings up a great point about E85. it's a lot cheaper. Although your fuel efficiency is going to be decreased by about 30%. If you saw the video that I did with the first E-Class, I went over the specs of E85 and the pros and cons. Increased horsepower because you can increase timing because it burns hotter. Of course, it's renewable, if kind of. Yeah.
Still got, I mean, 51% ethanol.
But yeah, so just gonna try it out. Might as well. All right, so estimating.
Yeah. Holy shit! That's the cheapest tank I've had.
$35, 15 gallons.
That's by far the cheapest tank I've had this year. Wow.
It's the magic.
We just placebo effect.
Feels nice?
I mean, it always feels nice.
Yeah, it's a Benz.
Woo!
All right, what's your MPG right now?
So from start, it's 13.8.
Okay, good stuff.
But that's just like, that's the 10 miles I've driven today.
All right, so over the last 6,000 miles, he's averaged.
But I've also had
17
E85 a couple times.
Yeah, we're going to go averages though, and we'll see on this trip how
I was just
the
in a
MPG
lot
is.
of traffic
Yeah.
on a daily basis.
Yeah, well, we'll see. This yellow RCF. Here it is, up close and personal. Nice.